I am thrilled to be here today with Ward from Chafin Communities, and we are out here at this gorgeous pool. We're in the neighborhood of Mundy Mill. And so, Ward, I understand that the amenity package in this neighborhood is very impressive. So I've got to know more.
This is a fabulous 5-acre spread for all of our homeowners here. We have a playground, swimming pool, lots of pavilions, and the tennis courts, of course.
And I understand there's actually more than one amenity center, is that right?
That's right. This is our main amenities center. There's also a brand new swimming pool at White Oak Park, which is where our new homes are under construction. And then we have an original pool back in the Creekside section.
Okay, all right, so lots of pools to choose from. So I love that. That's great to have options with your amenities.
Right.
And like you mentioned, you're building some new homes right now, and I understand there's some availability. So talk to me about what these homes are like.
So we have 75 home sites, which are not built yet. So those are available for purchase on a pre-sale. We have 9 different floor plans. Currently pricing is 450s to 600s. And we have a Presswick model home, which is our 5-bedroom, 4-bath, white farmhouse style model home in the White Oak Park section.
And what are some of the features you're going to find within that model?
We have a 7-foot shower, which is frameless glass, all tile, 2 shower heads. That's an upgrade for the master shower. We have EVP flooring, which is also an upgrade, and a smart home package.
Well, tell me more about this smart home package. I know this is something you're offering new this year.
Yes, it's actually an included feature in any new Chafin home. So it comes with an Echo Show, and we get the Ring doorbell included as well. There's a door lock feature, so you can download the app and do your door from anywhere in the world. And there's also the thermostat, so the Ecobee thermostat's included.
Well, I know having all that technology, home buyers are going to love that. And home buyers are also going to love that they can pick a home site. You have 70 still available. So if they want to find out more, what's the best way to do that?
The best way to do it is to come on out to the neighborhood. We've got a great Presswick model home, as we talked about earlier. It's on Silver Oak Drive in Gainesville at Mundy Mill. We also have our website, which is chafincommunities.com. And my cell number, if you'd like to call me directly, 770-757-4921.
Well, Ward, it's always great to see you, and I know there's a lot of people out there that would love to enjoy these amenities, so come and check out White Oak Park and Mundy Mill by Chafin Communities.